Students, now we are going to start another one example. Now example 6. Example 6. Solve. We have question cos 3x plus cos x is equals to cos 2x. Now we have to find the value of x. Here is solve, so we have to calculate the value of x. Now solution. We have here cos 3x plus cos x is equals to cos 2x. Students, you know cos c plus cos d. The formula of cos c plus cos d is 2. We can write R2 cos c plus d upon 2 times cos c minus d upon 2 is equals to cos 2x. Or 2, this is cos 3x plus x. That one is cos 4x by 2 is cos 2x times cos 3x minus x is cos 2x by 2. This is cos x minus cos 2x is equals to 0. Now we are going to take common. So cos 2x is common. So we have here is 2 cos square x. 2 cos 2x is here. So when we will take cos 2x common, then we have here 2. This is cos 2x, and then this one is cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now either cos 2x is equals to 0, either this is equal to 0, or we have 2 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0, or we can write cos x is equals to 1 by 2. So here is cos 2x is equal to 0. So here we can write cos 2x is equals to cos 0 is cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is cos pi by 2. So we can write now, here we can write 2x is equals to, therefore 2x is equal to, we can write 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. We can set up in this form. Now x is equals to 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole to the power this 2 into pi by became 4. This is the required answer of this case. Now in another one side, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. It shows cos x is equal to cos 60 degree. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree is cos pi by 3. Now x is equals to, we can write x is equal to, or therefore we can write x is equals to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. In this case we have to use this form. Therefore we can write x is equals to, now let us write the answer. Therefore x is equals to 2n plus 1 times pi by 4, or n, this one is 2n pi, here is not pi, 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. This is one case and this one is another one. This is the required answer of this question, or value of x is this. If we will put n is equal to 0, then it comes this 90 degree. And then if you will put here n is equal to 0, then we'll get 60 degree also. And then when you will put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will get other different values. And this is the solution of this question. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, यहाँ हामीले किन यसरी राख्नुपर्ने भयो भने यहाँ चाहिँ यसरी अरु क्वेशन जस्तै 0 डिग्री इज लेस अर इक्वल्स टु x इज लेस अर इक्वल्स टु 2 पाई अथवा 360 डिग्री अथवा 180 डिग्री अथवा 4 पाई यस्तो केही भनेको छैन। यस्तो अवस्थामा we have to use in this format. Students, now we are going to solve another one question of different model, that is example number 7. Example 7. Solve. We have the question sine square theta minus 2 cos theta. Suppose we can write plus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. So, how can we solve this one? Here is sine square theta, here is cos theta. So, we have to convert this either sine theta into cos theta or cos theta into sine theta. But here is sine square theta. So, we can convert sine square theta in terms of cos square theta easily. So, we are going to convert sine square theta in terms of cos square theta. So, solution. We have here sine square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Or this one is sine square theta, so we can write 1 minus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Now we can take LCM because we have to out the denominator, so we have to take LCM. So 4 is the LCM. By multiplying 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 is equals to 0. Or here is 4 plus 1 became 5 minus 8 cos theta minus 4 cos square theta is equals to 0 times 4 is also 0. Or 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 minus 10 cos theta plus 2 cos theta minus 4 cos square theta is equals to 0. We have done here factorization. 10 minus 2 is 8. Or here is 5 common, then 1 minus, we have here 1 minus 2 cos theta plus, here is 2 cos theta common, so 1 minus 2 cos theta is left is equals to 0. Or here is 1 minus 2 cos theta, 1 minus 2 cos theta, so 1 minus 2 cos theta is common, then 5 plus 2 cos theta is equals to 0. Now either 1 minus 2 cos theta is equal to 0 or 5 plus 2 cos theta is equal to 0. So let us start from here. 1 minus 2 cos theta means we can write or 2 cos theta is equal to 1 or cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us write here cos theta is equal to, or we can write cos theta is equals to 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree, and this means or cos theta is equal to cos. So this one is pi by 3. Therefore, we can write theta is equal to 2 n pi or 2 pi n plus minus pi by 3. In this case, we use this form. Theta is equal to this one. If we'll put here n is equal to 1, then n is equal to 0 at first. 0 times 2 pi n is 0. And then plus pi by 3 is 60 degree. So this 60 degree comes, and then if we'll put n is equal to 1, then 2, 3, 4, there will come different values. Now let us look the another one, then we'll discuss together. So here is, in the next case, we have 2 cos theta, or we can write cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 2, and this is 2.5 minus 2.5, and there is no any value of cos theta in minus 2.5. So here it has no solution. No solution. So our answer is this only. Students, why we are using this in terms of n? Because in our question there is no any boundaries, or there is no 0 degree lesser equals to theta is lesser equals to, there is no 2 pi, or there is no pi, or there is no 360 or 540, or nothing is here. Due to that one, we need this form. Students, now we are going to look another one example of different model again. Our next question is also little bit different. Okay, let's look our example number 8. Example 8. So our question is solve, and then we can make question 2. Suppose tan 3x times cos 2x plus 1 is equals to tan 3x plus 2 cos 2x. This question is different types than other question. So solution, we have here 2 tan 3x cos 2x plus 1 is equals to tan 3x plus 2 cos 2x, or 2 tan 3x times cos 2x. Here is tan 3x, here is also tan 3x. If we'll put it here minus tan 3x, may we can take common, and here is cos 2x, and here is also cos 2x. Oh, once again, here is tan 3x. So if we will take here tan 3x common, then 2 cos 2x minus 1 will remain here. So here is 2 cos 2x minus 1, but we have, here is 1, and then 2 cos 2x is only here. So we can write it here minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Students, this term we put it here, and this plus 1 is also here, and this tan 3x is, once again we have to write it in the here in the front line. हेर्नुस् है त, हामीले यहाँ लेख्नु पर्ने भयो, हामीले यसमा चाहिँ 2 cos 2x minus 1 यसको हेल्पबाट हामीले यसलाई अरेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. 2 cos 2x minus 1 आयो, त्यसकारणले minus 2 cos 2x, यसलाई प्लस र माइनस भयो, अनि plus 1 also plus 1 is equals to 0 we can write. So what is common here? 1 is common, so we can write 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, because we know plus means minus times minus, 1 minus is common, another minus is left here. Or we have common 2 cos 2x minus 1, then we have tan 3x minus 1 is left is equals to 0. Now either 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2. So cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2 gives, now this is equal to, we can write here cos pi by this 1 by 2 means cos pi by 3. This is 60 degree. So we can write here 2x is equal to 2 pi n plus minus 1 by 3 we can write here, or therefore we can write x is equal to, we can divide it by 2, so pi n plus minus 1 by 6 is the required solution of this first case. Now on the second, we have 10 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is either an or. So 10 3x is equal to 1. 10 3x is equal to 1, or 10 3x is equal to 1 is, we have 10 45 degree. 10 45 degree is 1, so this one is pi by 4. And now we have 3x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, or we can write x is equals to, at first we can take for LCM here, so 3x is equal to 4n pi plus pi, so we can take it common, therefore we can write x is equals to, if we'll take it here pi common, then 4n plus 1 times pi by 4 is here, and then x is equals to, here is by 12. Therefore the combination of these two is x is equals to pi n plus minus 1 by 6, and another one is 4n plus 1 times pi by 12 is the required solution of our question. Students, there is no any boundaries of x, so this is the required solution of our question. Students, now we are going to start another one example that is also totally different types of question. So let's look at our last example of these topics. That one is example 9. So our question is, solve. We have sine theta minus root 3 cos theta is equals to 2 for minus 2 pi is less than theta is less or equals to 2 phi. This is the condition. This is little bit different types of question and different types of condition. So let's start to solve this question. Solution. We have here sine theta minus root 3 cos theta is equals to 2. In this case, we can take the coefficient of sine and then cos. So let's look here, coefficient of sine theta whole square plus coefficient of cos theta whole square go root under is equals to coefficient of sine theta is 1 square plus coefficient of cos theta is minus root 3 whole square. This and minus root 3 whole square, so cannot cancel here. Now this is equals to 1 plus 3, so it became 4 and that one is 2. So dividing both sides by 2. So we have sine theta minus root 3 cos theta by 2 is equals to 2 by 2, and this is 1. Or we can write sine theta times 1 by 2 minus cos theta times root 3 by 2 is equals to 1. So sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, we have to arrange in this form. Or so we can write sine A, and cos 1 by 2 is cos 60 degrees, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B means sine also 60 degrees root 3 by 2 is equals to 1. So the formula of sine A cos B plus cos A sine B is sine A plus B is equals to 1. Instead of 1, we can write sine, the value of sine 90 degree is 1. Sine 90 degree, that one is pi by 2. The value of sine 90 degree is 1. So this one is pi by 2. Therefore, we can write, here is sine also A minus B, this is the formula. Or we can write here sine theta minus 60 degrees pi by 3 is equals to sine pi by 2. Now we have sine theta minus pi by 3 is equal to this. Therefore we can write, therefore theta minus pi by 3, this is equals to, here is sine pi by 2. So we have to use 4n plus 1 pi by 2. We have to use this form. Therefore we can write theta is equals to 4n plus 1 pi by 2, this is pi by 3. So we can write plus pi by 3. Now when we can write, when n is equal to 0, because we have here condition, we have this condition. So when n is equal to 0, then we have theta is equals to 4 times 0 plus 1 times pi by 2 plus pi by 3. Now this is equals to, this is 4 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 times pi by 2 plus pi by 3. We can take LCM. This one is 6. So we have 3 pi plus 2 pi. So 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 lies here. It lies between minus 2 pi and plus 2 pi. So this is our required answer. This is our first required answer. Now the next one, when n is equals to 1, हेर्नुस् त हाम्रो त्यहाँ भित्र कुन पर्छ कुन पर्दैन भनेर हामीले टेस्ट गर्न पर्ने छ. त्यसकारणले थीटा इज इक्वल्स टु 4 टाइम्स n is 1 plus 1 times pi by 2 plus pi by 3. This is equals to 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 5. So we have 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. By taking LCM 6, we have 5 times 3 is 15 pi. 15 pi plus 2 pi. So it is 17 pi. 17 pi by 6. हेर्नुस् त, 17 pi by 6 भनेको 6 times 2 is 12. 2 point something pi आइसक्यो यहाँ हेर्नुस् त. 2 pi भन्दा यो बढी आइसक्यो. त्यसकारणले यो चाहिँ के भयो त, which is greater than 2 pi भनेर हामीले लेख्यौं. यो हाम्रो आन्सर हुन सकेन. यो हाम्रो आन्सर भयो, यो चाहिँ हाम्रो आन्सर भएन. हेर्नुस् है, हाम्रो यो कन्डिसन भित्र यो परेन. त्यस्तै when n is equals to minus 1, n is equal to minus 1, then theta is equals to 4 times minus 1 plus 1 times pi by 2 plus pi by 3. This is equals to minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. हेर्नुस् त, 4 times minus 1 is minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 minus 3 pi upon 2. So we have this one is 6 here LCM, then minus 9 pi plus 2 pi. So we have here minus 7 pi by 6. And so minus 7 pi by 6 means 1 point something यो भित्र पर्यो, त्यस कारणले हाम्रो यो पनि आन्सर भयो। हेर्नुस् है, यो पनि हाम्रो आन्सरमा पर्यो। So it lies between minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. Again, when n is equals to n, so 1 राख्दाखेरि यो एकदम हाई भइसक्यो, त्यस कारणले 2 राख्न त हामीलाई पर्दै परेन। अब minus 1 बाट minus 2 हेरौँ हामी, theta is equals to minus 2 राख्दाखेरि 4 times minus 2 plus 1 times pi by 2 plus pi by 3. This is equals to 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. 7 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. This is equal to, अब हेर्नुस् त, we can take LCM 6, then 7 times 3 is minus 21 pi plus 2 pi. It means we have here minus 19 pi. 19 pi by 6. This is minus 3 pi. So यो पनि के भयो त हेर्नुस् त, which is less than minus 2 pi. यो minus 2 pi भन्दा के भयो त हेर्नुस् त, small भयो, because 6 times 3 is 18. So 3 minus 3 point something pi भयो, यहाँ त minus 2 pi सम्म छ, त्यस कारण यो भन्दा पनि यो स्मलर भयो, जुन यो भित्र परेन। त्यसो हो भने अब हाम्रो हेर्नुस् त, therefore हाम्रो रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर के भयो त भन्दा यो र यो मात्रै हाम्रो रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर भयो। Therefore we can write here theta is equals to, हेर्नुस् त कति भयो त, theta is equal to, we have 5 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6 is the required answer of our question. Students, in this way we completed this exercise. I hope this example 9 up to 9 example we solve different types of 9 questions in this exercise. Students, today we are going to start another one new topics. That one is properties of triangle. So in these properties of triangle we study about the sine law, cosine law, projection law, etc. So properties of triangle. Properties of triangles. We have to study here different law. Okay, the first one is the cosine law. The cosine law. And the cosine law states that in any triangle ABC, we have here cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. This is cosine law. Students, here is in triangle ABC, we know, suppose this is a triangle ABC, and this is small a, this one is small b, and this one is small c. On this condition, we can write cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Similarly, we can write cos B is equals to, we have, if here is A, then minus A square. If here is B, then minus B square. So we can write C square plus A square minus B square by, here is 2BC, so we can write 2CA. Similarly, we have cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB here. And we can write here a square is equal to, or we can write a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc. Here is a square is equal to, here is 2bc cos a. Here also, or we can write, I think you know well, b square is equals to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b. 2ca cos b. Also we can write here c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. This is known as cosine law. Now the next one is the sine law. Suppose number 2, the sine law. And it is states also in any triangle, ABC, we have here a by sine a by sine a is equals to b by sine b is equals to c by sine c is equals to 2r. R is the radius of exterior triangle. So here we can use it another one formula also. We can make another formula also. We can write, therefore a is equal to 2r sine a. Similarly, b is equals to, here is 2r sine b, 2r sine b. Here is c is equals to 2r sine c. In this way, we looked here. हेर्नुस् त हामीले यहाँ देख्यौं साइन लॉ को यो फर्मुला. अब हामी कोसाइन लॉ, साइन लॉ, अब हामी प्रोजेक्सन लॉ को फर्मुलाहरु हामी हेर्दै छौं. Now projection law number 3, projection law in any triangle ABC. You can write in any triangle ABC. According to the projection law, we know A is equals to B cos C plus C cos B. Similarly, B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. And similarly, another one, C is equals to A cos B plus B cos A. These are the formulas of the projection law. Now the fourth one is half angle formula. Half angle formula. This is also in any triangle ABC. Sine A by 2, half means A by 2. So we can write sine A by 2 is equals to root under, we have S minus B times S minus C upon BC. This is sine A by 2. Similarly, we have sine B by 2 is equals to root under S minus C and then S minus A by CA. Similarly, we have sine C by 2. Sine C by 2 is equals to root under S minus A, S minus B by AB. Similarly, we have cos A by 2 also. Cos A by 2 को हेर्नुस् त अब कति हुन्छ? Cos A by 2 is equal to root under S minus A by BC. Similarly, cos B by 2 हेर्नुस् त यस अनुसार A हुँदाखेरि यहाँ S - A आयो अनि BC आयो। त्यसो भने B हुँदा कति हुन्छ होला त? रुट अन्डर हामी यसरी सम्झिनलाई सक्छौं S टाइम्स S माइनस B बाई AB। B बाई हेर्नुस् त AC, or we can write CA. Similarly, cos C by 2 is equals to root under S minus C by, here is C. So we need AB. And then 10A by 2 is equal to 10A by 2 is equals to, we have here 10 means sine by cos. So sine A by 2 by cos A by 2, that one is a root under S minus B, S minus C by BC cancel. So S times S minus A. So we can write root under S minus B and then S minus C by S times S minus A. This is the formula of 10A by 2. त्यस्तै अब 10B by 2 तपाईले सजिलैसँग भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ S minus C times S minus A by S times S minus B. हेर्नुस् त sine by cos. Similarly, 10C by 2 is equals to root under sine by cos, that one is S minus A, S minus B by S times S minus C भयो. In this way, हामी यी फर्मुलाहरु युज गरेर हाफ एंगल फर्मुला हामी यी फर्मुलाहरु हामीले हाफ एंगलमा राखेका छौं। अहिले हामीले फर्मुला मात्र हेरेका छौं, यी फर्मुलाहरु प्रुफ भने हामीले यहाँ गरेका छैनौं। Now the next one is tangent law. So number 5, fifth law is the tangent law. In this law, we can write in any triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, 10B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C times cot A by 2. We have this formula. Similarly, 10 हेर्नुस् त यहाँ B minus C by 2 थियो भने अब C minus A by 2 भयो भने के हुन्छ होला त? हेर्नुस् त B minus C हुँदा यहाँ B minus small b minus C थियो, त्यस्तै यहाँ पनि small c minus A by C plus A times, अब यहाँ cot के हुन्छ होला त? हेर्नुस् त यहाँ B र C हुँदा A भएको थियो भने C र A हुँदा यहाँ के हुन्छ? B by 2. Similarly, we have 10 B minus C, C minus A, अब के होला? Guess गरि नै सक्नुभयो, A minus B by 2 is equals to, here is also A minus B by A plus B times cot C by 2. This is the tangent law. Students, now we finish 5 law. Now we are going to write the formula of area of triangle. So, area of triangle. The area of triangle. Suppose here is in triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, suppose A, B, C, then we can write triangle ABC. Triangle ABC means area of triangle ABC is equals to half, हेर्नुस् त small a, small b, small c भयो भने half AB, AB आयो भने sin C, यो capital C हो. This is equal to, again we have half BC भयो भने sin A is equal to again half AB, BC and then CA and then sin CA and then sin B. This is the formula of triangle ABC. This is in any triangle ABC. If two sides and the angle between the two sides are given, then we can use this formula. Here CA sine B. Here is CA sine B. Similarly, if angle A and BC are given, then we can use half A half BC sine A. And if angle C is given, A and B are given, then we can use half AB sine C. Here is half AB sine C. Similarly, we have another one, area of triangle ABC. If all three sides are given, then at that time we can write this is equal to S minus A, S minus B times S minus C, where S is equal to semi-perimeter. So A plus B plus C upon 2. Similarly, we can find the area of triangle ABC is equals to, we have another one formula, ABC by 4R also. So these are about the area of triangle, students. Now we are going to start some example related with these laws and these area of triangles. Students, now we are going to start example 1. So our example 1 is example 1. In any triangle, in any triangle, prove that we can write here, prove that A times B cos C minus C cos B is equals to B square minus C square. Students, we have to prove LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So which law we are going to use? Then say solution. We have here taking left side, taking left hand side, or we can write left side also. So we have left side is A times B cos C minus C cos B. So this is equals to A times B, here is we can write this bracket, and then B cos C को फर्मुला हामी युज गर्ने हाम्रो कोसाइन ल ले के भन्छ हेर्नुस् त, कोसाइन ल ले के भन्छ त भन्दा cos A is equals to, or we can write here cos C is equals to cosine law अनुसार हेर्नुस् है, A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. This is cos C. Similarly, we can write cos B also. So instead of cos C, we can write this A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB minus C times cos B is also same. If here is B, then we can write, if here is B, then we can write C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA. So we can close this now. This is equals to A times, we can cancel this B and B. Similarly, we can cancel this C and C. So we can, here is 2A, here is also 2A. We can take LCM, only 2A. So we have here A square plus B square minus C square. A square plus B square minus C square minus, by opening, C square minus A square plus B square. So here is minus A square plus A square only cancel. So this is equals to, here is also A, here is also A. So we can cancel this A and A. Now we have here 2B square minus 2C square by 2. Now this is equals to, we can take 2 common. So B square minus C square by 2. This and this cancel. This is equal to b square minus c square. This is equal to right side. Therefore left side is equal to right side, hence proved. Hence proved. Students, we use here cosine law. Now we are going to study another one example by using another law. Now example 2. Example 2. In any triangle, prove that हेर्नुस् त हामीले के प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो. सपोज हामी एउटा क्वेशन यहाँ अरेन्ज गर्न सक्छौं. a square sin b minus c by sin a plus b square a square b square and then sin c minus a by sin b is again plus here a square b square and c square sin b minus c c minus a and now a minus b by sin c is equals to 0. Now solution. Taking LHS, left side we have a square sin b minus c by sin a. We have to write at least one time this one. माथिको क्वेशन भयो, त्यसकारणले sin c minus a by sin b plus c square sin a minus b by sin c. यो हाम्रो LHS को पार्ट हो. This is equals to यो हामीले साइन ल युज गर्न पर्ने हुन्छ. साइन ल मा हेर्नुस् त के भन्छ. हामीलाई थाहा छ साइन ल भन्नाले a by sin a is equals to 2r हुन्छ. साइन ल साइन ल ले हेर्नुस् त a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c is equal to 2r. 2r छ हाम्रो. अब त्यसो हो भने यस अनुसार हामीले हेर्नुस् त a भनेको ठाउँमा के राख्ने भयौं त. a भनेको 2r sin a 2r sin a को होल स्क्वायर भयो. a स्क्वायर भनेको त्यस्तै sin b minus c छ यहाँ. त्यस्तै फेरि अपन here is sin a plus b square means 2r sin b whole square times sin c minus a by sin b plus c means 2r sin c whole square times sin a minus b by sin c छ हामीसँग. Now this is equals to हेर्नुस् त यो 2r square means 4r square भयो. यहाँ sin a को स्क्वायर भयो अपन sin a. एउटा sin a र एउटा sin a क्यान्सल भयो. अब हामीसँग बाँकी छ sin a अनि sin b minus c यस्तो बाँकी रह्यो. प्लस यहाँ पनि हेर्नुस् त 2r square is 4r square अनि एउटा sin b क्यान्सल भयो, एउटा बाँकी रह्यो. त्यस्तै फेरि sin c minus a plus 4r square here also sin c sin a minus b बाँकी रह्यो. This is equals to अब हामी सबैमा के कमन लिन सक्छौं हेर्नुस् त 4r square हामी यसरी कमन लिन सक्छौं. अब sin a भनेको हामीले के युज गर्न सक्छौं त. sin a भनेको we know 180 degree minus b plus c. यो भनेको sin a हो. त्यस्तै sin b minus c लाई हामी सेम राखौं प्लस sin b भनेको पनि त्यस्तै फेरि हामीले के लेखौं त sin 180 डिग्री माइनस b भनेको a plus c हो अथवा c plus a भन्छौं हामी यसलाई यो भयो त्यस्तै फेरि sin here c plus a c minus a छ यसलाई हामी c plus a नै लेखौं त्यस्तै प्लस यहाँ sin c भनेको sin a plus b (180 minus a plus b) times sin a minus b भयो यहाँ यो हामीले टोटल क्लोज गर्यौं यहाँ हाम्रो a minus b छ यसरी हामीले क्लोज गर्यौं दिस इज इक्वल्स टु 4r स्क्वायर हामीसँग छँदै छ यो भनेको कति रहेछ त हेर्नुस् त sin 180 minus b plus c भनेको के हो त sin b plus c sin b plus c times sin b minus c त्यस्तै फेरि प्लस यो भनेको sin c plus a 180 minus a भनेको sin a हो त्यस्तै sin c minus a यहाँ हेर्नुस् त प्लस sin 180 minus a plus b भनेको sin a plus b times sin a minus b अब यसको हामीले फर्मुला युज गर्दाखेरि हामीले के पाउँछौं हेर्नुस् त 4r स्क्वायर टाइम्स यो sin b plus c times sin b minus c भनेको sin स्क्वायर b minus sin स्क्वायर c हुन आउँछ अब यसको तपाई गेस गर्नुस् sin स्क्वायर c minus sin स्क्वायर a त्यस्तै प्लस यसको पनि हेर्नुस् त sin स्क्वायर a minus sin स्क्वायर b now we have this one is sin square b plus and this one is minus sin square a plus sin square a minus sin square c plus sin square c minus this is equals to 4r square times 0 is equals to 0 is equal to right side therefore we can write left side is equal to right side hence proved in this way we prove this question number 2 or example 2 also by using sine law यसरी हामीले हेर्नुस् त फर्स्ट नम्बरमा हामीले cosine law युज गर्यौं सेकेन्ड एक्जाम्पल अथवा सेकेन्ड नम्बरमा हामीले साइन ल युज गर्यौं अब हामी फेरि थर्ड एक्जाम्पलमा अर्को ल युज गरेर हामी क्वेशन सल्भ गर्दै छौं